EduZone Civil Service Academy, instituted by Center for Academic Research, a division of Gramaniketan, to provide qualitative and affordable coaching to all civil service aspirants. Equipped with some of the best faculties, including a director, Jijo Matthew, who is well experienced in this field with a service of 17 years, EduZone is now a center par excellence and had guided many in their journey to civil service. This include Haritha V. Kumar IAS first rank in 2013,
EduZone അക്കാഡമിയിലെ ജിജോ സർ, പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ എൻ്റെ അക്കാഡമിയിലെ മറ്റു സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾ. ഇവിടുത്തെ ചർച്ചാവേദികളാണ് ഇന്റർവ്യൂവിന് ഏറ്റവും ഭംഗിയായി എന്നെ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളൊരു ആത്മവിശ്വാസം തന്നത്.
Sriram Venkataraman IAS second rank in 2013, Sri Vidya PI IAS 14th rank in 2010, Rahul Nath AR IAS, Dr. GS Samiran IAS, Jeevan Babu IAS, Dr. Chitra IAS, Sayu KM IAS, and so many more. From experience to the young bloods, EduZone offers civil service coaching led by the best faculties. We take pride in our commitment to provide results in timely manner. At EduZone, we offer scholarship to the needy and economically backward students in association with Gramaniketan Center for Rural Development and Social Research. EduZone Civil Service Academy, we are here for a step-by-step guidance in your march to success. EduZone Civil Service Academy, near India Hospital, Mele Tampanur, Trivandrum, 0471 4010 740 9895 269 778.